All right, it's time for a break, but I've got an AI assistant running using open source software, and I built an AI server in March, and been doing different things with it. But this project is I wanted to have a voice assistant where I call it, and then it responds to me and talks to me. So, um, sorry. Here's the dashboard for it. I've been asking it questions about Washington, D.C. This is running on a Raspberry Pi 3, and it has some things that I put up there, weather and recent earthquakes, wildfires in the area. The Raspberry Pi here is got a microphone in the USB. I've got a LED on it, which you can't see very well in the video. It's just blinking very softly right now, showing me it's listening, and the web page says waiting for the wake word, and we see hey. To wake it up, we say hey in that name right there, starting with the J. And here's kind of the layout. The Raspberry Pi has the mic and connects, and I have this speaker connected to it. It has the LED, and it listens for the wake word. When I call it, it sends what I asked over to a computer with a GTX 1050 4 gig older video card, and that one is running Whisper, doing the speech to text, and Piper, and I'm using the voice Joe. It's a medium model, if I remember correctly, and that's doing the text to speech. So when the text comes out of the AI, so I speak into it, I speak into the mic of the Raspberry Pi, it sends my voice to the 1050, converts the speech to text, it sends that over, the text over to the bottom server here, the MSI, which has a bigger video card running Gemma 4 latest, processes it, sends it back to the computer with the 1050 GPU, converts that text to speech, sends that back to the Raspberry Pi, and it comes out the speaker. I think I got that all correct. All right, so let's try to wake it up and we'll ask it more questions about Washington, D.C. I'll ask it about Lincoln Memorial again. Hey, Jarvis. Tell me more about the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. So it's sending it to AI.
The Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. is a stunning neoclassical monument dedicated to Abraham Lincoln.
And you can see what's happening is I've got it
landmark situated on the national.
I've got it talking, and then on the bottom of the webpage, it's giving me the text of what it's saying, and then it's scrolling down so you can see that. I'm actually going to make this another 3 or 4 lines taller. Now it's waiting for me to ask more questions. And so I'll say, well, tell me about the Air and Space Museum again.
The Lincoln Memorial, it is best to check the official National Park Service website before your trip. Lines can vary greatly depending on the time of day and the season. Visiting early in the morning or later in the afternoon often helps minimize any significant
The LED's bright because it's talking.
Remember to check for any special events that might increase visitor volume. Planning a time when you arrive during off-peak hours will enhance your experience.
Okay, cool. Is the Wright Brothers plane still at the Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C.?
The Air and Space Museum generally features exhibits related to early aviation pioneers. I recommend checking the museum's official
Okay, so
website.
Gemma Ford doesn't really know it, so that's fine. And then it's going to wait for 8 seconds for me to give it another keyword or another question, and then it's going to go back to listening mode. Okay, so that's it. And the Pi's showing the LED is just blinking slowly, saying it's waiting for the keyword. So it's working out pretty well. It's all vibe coded by Claude. And probably spent about 5 or 6 hours on this, getting it all working. And then I had it write backup scripts to back up everything that's been coded and upload it to my Dropbox because we don't want to lose all this work. All right. Hope that's enjoyable. Have a good day. See you, Jarvis.